Today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Vertex Pharmaceutical stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that, there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before an upside rally get triggered. If you'll make a closer look over here, this was on top where the stock had given a price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got corrected by price-wise, and there was a back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the third lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, the first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs. This is an area where we got two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side. The second one is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And now, my dear friends, if you'll see the diversion, if you'll place an RSI indicators, you'll be surprised to know there is a positive diversion over here. If you'll see, the price action is tilting on the downside, but the RSI is tilting on the upper side. And this is an area where we got a breakout and it's going to pump an upside momentum. And finally, and the most important, that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to identify there is a terminal triangle pattern breakout. This is what we call it as a terminal triangle pattern, or you can call it as a pennant pattern, and it's already got broken out with a neckline of $443.84. So now very soon you will witness the target 5. The first target will be 400 and the first target will be 490. Just a moment. Yeah, now very soon you will witness the stock will come to fill the gap, and that will be exactly at $499. So this will be our first target, and the second target will be $518. So this will be two major targets, and between these targets there will be a resistance which we had marked in blue color. So there is a possibility that stock may face resistance or the rejection at the resistance level, and then it may come down. It may face a rejection, and then it will come to retest the neckline, and then again it will start the momentum on the upper side. So my dear friend, this is it for today's analysis, and this area will act as a very strong support because already we had seen multiple positive factors action over here. So far we have seen the downward parallel channel trigger on the upper side, lower lows shifted to higher highs. There is a positive diversion. There is a positive diversion between the price action and the RSI, and there is a positive chart pattern, that is a terminal triangle impulse which we got broken out on the upper side. So with due respect to all the positive factors, this area will act as a strong support. So far it was in resistance, but now it has turned into an important support. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such breakouts.